Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Compiling a C program using the math library, math.h, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the process of compiling a C program that uses the math.h header file. This library provides a wide range of mathematical functions, from basic trigonometric operations to more complex logarithmic and exponential calculations. While using math.h itself is straightforward, linking the necessary math library during compilation can be tricky, especially on Linux systems. We'll cover everything from a simple code example to troubleshooting common compilation errors. 1. Understanding the math library, math.h. What is math.h? Math.h is a standard header file in the C standard library. It declares numerous mathematical functions, making them available to your C programs. Why use it? Instead of writing your own complex algorithms for tasks like calculating square roots, sine waves, or powers, you can leverage the optimized and well-tested